morning to everyone. This is day 1 at sea on the Celebrity Reflection. I already showed all of the check-in process that we did earlier to get on this ship so quickly. This was the fastest check-in that I've ever done on a cruise, and we've been on lots of different cruises. We've never had to wait just 2 minutes to get onto the ship. It was so fast because they had the app to speed things up. First, I want to show you a quick room tour of our concierge stateroom. Room tour. This is our stateroom. It is a concierge class stateroom, a little bit fancier than the usual ones. This is what our room looks like. I'll be sleeping on that side. We have a balcony view, so you can go outside and see the water once we're out at sea. Okay. And we have some lounge chairs and a table. Okay, here we are at port. We are going to set sail soon. And then we will be off to our first stop, which I believe is Nassau, Bahamas. That's the harmony of the seas over there. It's like 2 times bigger than our ship, but it's nice that we have a nice cozy little ship here for the Celebrity Reflection. Here is our safe. There is a mini fridge here if you need to put any medication, and then some clothing drawers. We're supposed to get robes, I think, but they haven't put it in here yet. This is a nice big closet. And now for the washroom. This is a really nice washroom. There's a lot of space. Yay. And then there's a shower here. And that is it for our concierge stateroom. We're just relaxing in our rooms right now. Before, we had lunch in the Ocean View Cafe.
Welcome on board the Celebrity Reflection.
There was a buffet over there, and they were already starting to close because dinner starts around 5, 6. We're gonna have dinner at 6 o'clock. And my brother and I also checked out the gym and the spa area, as well as the top deck where there's a pool and everything. This is a smaller ship, so there's not a lot to do, but I'm excited to see what we can do, and really excited just to hang out with my grandma for this family reunion. Off we go. We are departing, leaving Fort Lauderdale. So many people waving. Happy New Year! And look, our stewardess opened up the balcony, so now we have all of them connected together. Yay! Also, today is December 31st, so at midnight it's going to be New Year. It's going to be 2023, so we're going to count down for the new year on the ship, and this is our first time spending our New Year's on a cruise, so we'll see what kind of celebrations they're going to be doing. And the sun is already starting to set. You can see it's getting darker, and I can't wait for dinner time. This is where I'm keeping our electronic stuff. There's only 2 outlets, North American ones here, and then 1 European one there. I brought this outlet adapter to have some extra plugs for our chargers. And this is the mirror light. Yay! Go down.
Where's the food?
What's on
Salad.
the menu?
What's on the menu?
We are back from dinner and now our beds are ready. I can't wait to go to sleep. This is a booklet of activities and some excursion info for tomorrow. It's all on the app, but they still wrote down some of the activities. And look, a pillow chocolate, my favorite. I love pillow chocolates. Okay, let's see if we can do some late night exploring. I just went to there was a place called the Hideaway with Mama, and it looked like there was a tree house, lots of cool seats. Let's hit the slots. This is the shopping hall. There's an art gallery. Look at this art gallery. I really like this art style. Look at that. That's so cute. Look. I love that. Over here. We're gonna get one of those ships eventually. Oh, they're playing cabaret.
Don't try to control me. Give yourself a reason to rejoice.
Also, since it is New Year's Eve, our stewardess left us this bottle of wine. Too bad none of us really drink. But anyway, it's a really nice way to celebrate the new year, I guess, with some free wine.